Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to find Bybit wallet address. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your Bybit application on your mobile device, and here just click on the deposit, buy with, or the P2P. Now click on the deposit crypto. Okay, this one at the very bottom. And here, you can select the cryptocurrency that you would like to find your wallet address for. So this is, for example, I'm going to choose this one. And here you can choose a chain type. So this is the network. So just for example, then you just have to click on this one. Okay. And finally here you can see now your wallet address and you can click on the copy. And now you have copied your Bitcoin wallet address. All you need to make sure that on the other wallets that you're sending from you, of course, choose the same coin and the same network. There is a minimum deposit amount, so make sure that you deposit more than the minimum amount. So from here that you have your wallet address, now you can just paste it on the other wallet. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.